Hi, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica, and I'm going to share the easiest sewing project, home decor project ever. We're making kitchen drapes. First, you want to start off with some fabric. I used my Crafty Chica Day of the Dead fabric. Now, when it comes to measuring, measure the width of your window and then double it, and then the length of your window and add 10 inches. And then you can cut that in half if you want to make 2 drapes out of it like I did. So you're going to end up for 2 drapes, double-sided, you're going to need 4 pieces of fabric. Mine measured 60 inches by 40 inches each. So we will start with the first drape, and you're going to set it down with the facing up. And then you're going to take the second piece of fabric and you're going to place that facing down. That way, for this drape, you're going to have both facing sides together. Pin all the way around so that you can sew it nice and even and it will hang nicely. And you know how I know that? Because I got a little too confident and I did not pin this drape and it came out a little uneven, but it's okay. No one can notice but me. Okay, you're going to sew a 1-inch seam allowance all the way around, leaving a 12-inch hole. And then you're going to iron all of your seams. Trust me, this is worth the time. It will lay nice and flat and even if you do this on both drapes. And then turn it inside out, so the right side is facing out. Use a bamboo skewer or a chopstick or your finger to poke out the corners so that they're nice and sharp. And then press it again. Use a little sprayer of water and this will help finish it off. Go through the edges and sew. I did a 1-inch seam allowance all the way around, sewing up that open area where we had turned it. After that, do the second drape, follow through, and then these are little rod hooks that I bought online and I added those, and that was it. It took me less than 2 hours to make this project. I wish I had made the drapes a little bit rufflier by adding more fabric, but it's okay. I love them. They're double-sided. They block the light out. I live in Phoenix. It's very hot over here. I hope this inspires you to make some drapes for your home. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and visit craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas.